Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code problem. If you're trying to activate WhatsApp account, the first step is to enter your phone number and request to SMS verification code. Without WhatsApp, OTP and verification code, you will unable to register your phone number and access WhatsApp. If you don't receive your WhatsApp verification code via SMS, then in this video I will show you how to fix this. So now if you need help fixing this issue of not receiving WhatsApp verification code, you may need to choose call me option to request a call. When you answer the call, an automated voice will tell you the 6-digit code. Insert that to verify WhatsApp account. If you still have WhatsApp verification code problem, then contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. Here is how to do that. Open the WhatsApp app on your device and tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and tap on this help. Choose a category that best describe your issue. For example, verification code not received, and follow the prompts to submit your request to WhatsApp support. Hi team, I am facing an issue with the WhatsApp verification process. I have not received the verification code required to complete the registration. I have checked my connectivity, restarted my device, but the problem persists. Kindly assist me in resolving this matter as soon as possible. Thank you. WhatsApp support may be experiencing a high volume of requests, so it may take some time to receive a response. However, they can help you troubleshoot the issue and get your verification code. So this is how to fix WhatsApp verification problem. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.